Hey everyone, it's Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. Friday, March 18th, 2016. And market continues to push higher. I want to talk about the markets real quick. I want to talk about oil. And I want to leave you with something very, very important, all right? Just take me a couple minutes to get to it. So last week, a couple weeks ago, we talked about the month of March, and the month of March is continuing to push into the green. All right, if we take a look, you can see here that going into our shortened trading week looks exactly the same. We've got 4 days of mostly green bullish patterns based on seasonality. The S&P looks like this. We've got new year-to-date closing highs that have come in. Now we're barreling in on all-time highs that happened back in November of last year. All right, we talked about this. We talked about this last month when a lot of people were nervous that the market was going to go into a free fall, and we said nope. We've got seasonal bullish patterns going on that are 90% accurate, and it turns out that they are continuing to be highly accurate as we move forward. All right. FXE is another one I think that's really pushing the market because so goes the euro, so goes the U.S. stock market, and then the euro has bounced back quite nicely to the top side of its range since the end of February. All right. We could see some resistance in here, but the biggest reason the stock market is going up, outside of the fact that we now know who the Republican candidate is, and we now know who the Democratic candidate is. Wall Street seems to be breathing at least a little sigh of relief in at least knowing who these two people are. Is the price of oil. Oil has gone significantly higher. In fact, oil hit over $40 a barrel this week. And we're seeing even USO coming back up to around $11, all right? We could see that breakout that continue to move higher. All right, I want to show you a trade we're looking at this week based on all of this, and this is a stock which is hitting our darknet signals, which is called Cooper Tire and Rubber. All right, in the past, we've seen buys with sells. We've seen buys with sells, and now we got another buy signal that came out today. All right, for those of you that are members, you can check out our detailed publication, and you can see exactly what case study we're looking at on that particular trade. Before we go, very, very important, I have got a Trade Essentials webinar coming up next Wednesday, March 23rd at 8 p.m. If you haven't already registered for this one, you're going to want to register for it. We're going to teach you advanced credit spread layering strategies, all right? This is how to take a strategy like a credit spread and turn it into a viable trading system. We want to show you how to do that. My guest on the program is going to be Devin Pearsall, one of the best credit spread traders that I know. So register now. This class will fill up, folks. It will fill up. Register now. You can find the registration link on the bottom of this email. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon.